How to delete all saved posts on X. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can delete all saved posts on X. So how do you do that? The first step is to log in into your X account. Then move to the top left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, in the box displayed, click on bookmarks, okay? Because bookmarks is a tab where all your saved posts are. So once you're on your bookmarks page, move to the top right corner, click on the three dots there. Then you see the option for you to clear all bookmarks. So click on that, click clear, and then just like that, all your saved posts will be deleted. As simple as that. So in case you're wondering how to, I'm sure this video has answered the question. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and recommend this video for your friends and family. And go ahead to delete those saved posts today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.